Beneath the dense canopy of the cursed jungle, the air feels thick with dread. Suddenly, a horrifying beast emerges, a nightmare of tangled limbs. Its 5 clawed legs move in an unnerving rhythm, while its 2 grotesque faces, one cackling with insane glee, the other weeping rivers of blood, glare in opposite directions. As its whip-like tail lashes against the ancient trees, a low growl sends shivers down the spines of the explorers. "Run," someone whispers, but the creature is faster. Under the blood moon, it closes in.